I didn't even record. I wasn't recording. Squirrel. Squirrel gonna come. Where is it?
Oh, there's another one. I want a piece of that action. Yeah. Leave me alone. You're not eating it at all. Hold on. Hold on, seagulls. Oh, I want a peanut. Fly away. There's one for you too. Eat. Watch how the squirrels just want their peanuts. Yeah, they go around the squirrels. I just want a peanut, he says. Runs off. And this one over here, he says, I want a peanut. Oh, here's some bread. It's frozen, but you might like it anyways.
He's still pecking away at it.
There you guys go.
I'm drunk.
Oh no, you can't eat them all.
I'm drunk, so my camera work sucks right now.
No.
But I'm doing my best.
Look at those squirrels.
Where is it?
No, he's eating peanuts, and the pigeons are eating bread. He's saying, I might want a peanut. I'm going to take one of those. It's protein. What did he eat? What is he eating? A worm?
I got that on camera too. He was like puking out.
Well, what was he eating?
I don't know.
I didn't see what he was
Stupid
eating.
seagulls. They'll eat anything though. Hey, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
They're just frustrated because it's frozen. They're like, fuck, I can't just gulp it all down. I have to fucking peck at it.
Yes. They'll eat it all. They can't fight because they each got one. They only fight when they're gone.
It's an animal kingdom outside.
Yeah. People don't know how markers reflect yet. I want that. I'm going to just go to this one. Sure, I'll peck away at it. I'm going to take that and fly away then, maybe. Or I'll just eat it all on sight. Oh no. Now we got a whole swan of them. You think those seagulls know?
Yeah.
What happens now? eat your bread.
It's frozen.
No, we're gonna get a show. You're supposed to go set. Like,
Yo, I only got like 4 minutes left to recording
okay,
time.
let's see. Let's get wild action at the end. That's all I'm throwing. Those are so stupid. That one's smart. You just stayed and ate. That's how stupid.
Yeah.
That's how stupid
He's
the other ones are. They don't come and get them. Look, they're all flying around, but they don't see it. I'm gonna tackle the camera. Look at all those seagulls. Look at, yeah, film up there.
I am. I'm filming it. I'm filming.
Because look at them flying.
Yeah, I know. I am.
There's another one down there. He's eating peanuts. He's eating peanuts. Look. And the squirrel's coming for that.
Yeah, I just got a really awesome shot. Fuck. See, attack of the seagulls. There's so many seagulls. Seagulls are everywhere.
There they come.
Yeah.
See another one. Try to film them.
I am, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I only got like 3 minutes, I can't. Why?
Yeah, we'll do it till the time runs out. Stop whining.
Fuck, the best part will happen when it runs out.
Oh, fight.
Zoom in.
Four or 5 of them. 4. Oh yes, I'm gonna eat. Yes, bread. I'm gonna kill for that bread. I want my earpiece. And I'm gonna take the earpiece after. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I'm having a bite. Oh, fuck you, he says. Oh, seagulls.
Fuck.
There's squirrels. Get the squirrels, Colin. The squirrels. Get the squirrels on the ground. We want the bread. You take the peanuts. You think they're gonna fight the squirrels after?
Oh, you got.
I want that, they say.
Fuck, he's gone. I lost him. He's just like, whatever, I'll just stick around and eat with this one here. He's the smart one. They're all fighting for that other piece of bread. Fuck. And then this one's just like, whatever.
Yeah, this one's guarding this. No, it's not in the table. Look how smart this one is. He gave her the food. He's like, here, take it. And this one wants to fight now. Oh, fuck you. I'm taking this, he says. And they're saying no. And they don't want it. I have to get more bread.
Yo, I don't have much recording time left.
Well, that's okay.
Stupid seagulls.
Oh, well, just whatever. Anyways, put that on YouTube.
Yeah.
All the seagulls. They got devoured it.
Yeah.
Okay, stop it and
No, I didn't point the camera at her.
no, stop it and